Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Are you thinking about going to a Spanish-speaking country, but you don't speak the Espanol? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm about to give you the top 10 phrases that you need to know in order to survive traveling in a Spanish-speaking country. Now, I always say you need to be ready to say what you want to say, but you also need to be ready to understand responses that they give you. So I'm going to help you with those too, okay? Ready? Listo? Vámonos. Let's go. Now, I'm sure you can learn how to say my name is and basic greetings, so let's skip that and kick it off with the one that everybody's going to use, and that is number one, where is? ¿Dónde está? Now, you might say, ¿Dónde está el hotel? El baño, the bathroom, that's pretty important, right? El museo, the museum. El hospital. This is a very important phrase. Okay, so here's some responses that you might get. You might hear on the left, a la izquierda, or on the right, a la derecha, straight ahead, todo recto, or maybe north, norte, or south, sur, or east, este, or west, oeste. Okay, so they answered your question, they told you where it is, but you're not quite sure you caught everything they said, which is totally normal. So here is the next phrase that you're looking for, number two. Could you write that down, please? ¿Podrías escribirlo, por favor? Yeah, ¿podrías escribirlo, por favor? You want to get them to write that down, then you can study it, look it up, whatever you need. Okay. Now, up next, if you're visiting a Spanish-speaking country, you'll probably be staying in a hotel, and when you check in, you'll need number three. I have a reservation under the name of, it'll go like this. Tengo una reserva a nombre de. They say a nombre instead of under the name. Okay, tengo una reserva a nombre de. Now, you may also want to mention how many nights your reservation is for. Estancia de tres noches. 3 nights in this case. Just change out the number you need. Now, if you don't have a reservation, you'll need this one, number 4. I need a room for 2 people. Necesito un cuarto para 2 personas. And of course, change out that number again. In this case, it's 2, but just change it out for your situation. Now, you know we're living in a technology-driven world, so number 5 is, what's the Wi-Fi password? All right, you all relate to that one. ¿Cuál es la contraseña de Wi-Fi? Yeah, they say Wi-Fi. Okay, ¿cuál es la contraseña de Wi-Fi? Now, if you're in a situation where you've tried everything, you may need number 6. I don't understand. No entiendo. No entiendo. And you may also need number 7. Do you speak English? Habla inglés? Okay. Now, up next, while you're visiting a Spanish-speaking country, you'll definitely want to take in the culture, maybe visit a museum, so you'll need to be able to purchase a ticket. So you could say number 8, 4 tickets, please. 4 boletos, por favor. 4 boletos, por favor. And number 9 is a definite possibility, especially if you need help with something you can't get to work. You just want to say, it doesn't work. No funciona. No funciona. You can use this with anything, guys. You know, if you're in a hotel room and the light doesn't work, take a second to look at the word for light and just put it together. The light doesn't work. La luz no funciona. And number 10, I'm going to put, because I've experienced this one myself, the pharmacy and antibiotics. La farmacia and antibióticos. Now, I'll put these 2 words because it's fairly common for people to get sick in another country. And you'll also find it important to know that in many Spanish-speaking countries, antibiotics can be purchased over the counter, yes, with no prescription. Now, if you like this video, stay tuned for my next lesson on surviving a hotel check-in. You'll get all the words and phrases you'll need to survive from check-in to check-out. But until then, I wish for you and all your family and friends paz y bendiciones. Hasta pronto.